Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. In the latest incident, ransomware actors doubled the ransom amount for a French manufacturer after the first payment period expired. Meanwhile, a ransomware attack targeted US-based vehicle inspection services provider, and data of more than 32 million US Facebook users were found freely available in the underground marketplace. These and other stories in today's malware news. Windows systems and networks at Brown University were brought offline owing to a cyber attack. Authorities have asked faculties and staff to switch to computers running on other operating systems. US-based bank Capital One notified more clients about their Social Security numbers exposed in a data breach from 2019. A former AWS employee, Paige Thompson, was suspected to be behind the act. Personal data of 553 million Facebook users from 106 countries dumped online was available for free on a low-level dark web hacking forum. Stock trading and brokerage service Robinhood warned of a phishing campaign using fake websites to pilfer credentials and sending out fake emails laced with malicious fax files. If you need any assistance on staying safe online or getting protection from ransomware or malware, please give us a call and we can help you get set up. Hope you have a good week.